Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Yahoo Mail account settings. And in today's video, I will show you on how to change your sender name in your Yahoo Mail account, whether you are using Android phone or you are using iPhone. Let me show you how. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up your Yahoo Mail. After you open up your Yahoo Mail, go ahead and click on your profile icon. Then go ahead and click on settings. Then go ahead and click on manage accounts. Then go ahead and click on account info. Then go ahead and click on personal settings. Verify your identity and you'll be taken right here. Next thing you want to do right here is to go ahead and click on change display name. The next thing you want to do is to go ahead and click on here and enter your new name. Once you are done, go ahead and click on done right here. And with that, each time you are sending mail out, this particular name is going to be alongside with your email. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about Yahoo Mail settings, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.